Hey, it's ClayTrader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. It makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And definitely want to get some things updated here as the chart is at a very interesting spot. And that spot is right here at the red line of $7, which if you did watch the video from Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about that. And I talked about it as a level of resistance. And you can see during the first 30 minutes right there, bulls tried to fight through there, couldn't quite do it. And then the last 30 minutes came around and you can see volume increased right there. And the bulls made another go around at it and technically actually did close above it at 709. Now, I'm still going to consider this a level of resistance because the big question in my mind going forward into tomorrow is this a true break? A true break having two parts. First part, always the obvious one. The first part, well, yeah, the price has to break above a certain level. But then the second part is, can the price maintain above the break? So in other words, can the price stay up above $7 tomorrow? I mean, if the price drops right back below it, well, then $7 still is the level of resistance. But if the price can even just kind of go sideways, it's not like it has to skyrocket above $8 or anything. Well, then, yeah, maybe this is the start of something bigger and a true break. So that's a big thing on my mind. Technically speaking, yes, you could say, well, Clay, according to technical analysis, that should be considered a support now. And I wouldn't argue against that. I'm just saying that given the type of candle here that was formed, and with the fact that it's still well within, 10 cents of that $7 mark, and this one obviously can move very quickly, I want to see, can the price maintain above the break? This very well could be the start of something bigger, but for me personally, I want to see more confirmation in terms of, can the bulls start to maintain the progress that they've made? And again, that quote-unquote progress being staying up above $7. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here. No levels were tested or broken. 625. Still that, next overall key level. But like I said, given that the price is way up here, still plenty of wiggle room before that one could, potentially even come into play. So no doubt about it. Nice final 30 minutes on the day. Now it's just a matter of, is this the start of something bigger? Are the bulls starting to regain some momentum? Let's see if they can maintain the break of $7 or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the ETFs and stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks and ETFs that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.